Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be changing the color of the sky in our Unity project. So right now it's a little bit ugly. It looks like from the camera perspective, all you can see is the gray background, but there's like a kind of a weird gradient up here by default. So today we're gonna make it look a little bit more like this. So let's get into it. First of all, we need to make a new material. Actually, first of all, let's change the lighting in the scene. So if you click this button, it's going to make it look a little bit more pretty. Because right now it's just kind of rendering all this stuff. Not really shadows or anything, but if we turn this on, you get some cool, nice looking shadows. So to do that, we're going to go into materials, make a new material. I'm just going to call it sky. And open that up in the inspector, and we're going to change the shader to Skybox panoramic, and then the tint color is just the color of the actual sky. I'm going to copy it in from this because I like this color. Paste that here, and once you've done that, we're going to go into window, rendering, lighting settings, and it's going to bring us here. So we're going to drag this into where it says Skybox material, and then we're going to go down to environmental lighting and then change the source to color. And by default that should make it look a lot better, but you might need to change the ambient color, so I would just make it a light blue. You can change it to make it tinted to whatever you want. In my opinion, light blue looks the best, so let's stick with that. Now if we save our project and play, it looks pretty nice now, I'd say. It looks a lot better than it did previously, but there's one more thing that I want to do in this tutorial, and so that just for future reference, we're going to unclick auto generate and generate the lighting for this scene. Now typically, not typically, if you only have one scene in your project, you don't need to do this, but if you're changing scenes and you don't have generated lighting, then the lighting just looks fucked up when you switch into the scene, so that's a good thing to have for the future. I'll probably also address that in a different video if we make like a title screen or something, but that's it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll probably have another tutorial out by the end of today, so I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.